Hey everyone! Ready to crack the code of business English? It's time to level up your English proficiency so you are ready to win. Welcome to HIP English. It's another episode of HIP English and welcome to our channel. Our goal is to present you helpful videos to aid you in your journey to improve your business communication skills so you are ready to win. We hope that you find our videos useful as you continue to expand your knowledge in enhancing your English proficiency. We recently started a series of videos about the different parts of the TOEIC test. Today, we will move on to the last video of the series, single and double passages from the reading test of TOEIC. I will be providing examples as well as tips for the reading test so you are ready to win. So, are you ready? Let's go! In the previous video in our series, we have discussed TOEIC, so I'll just briefly touch on this. The letters TOEIC is actually an acronym that means Test of English for International Communication. It is one of the most widely used business English assessments in the world. The score results and certificates are recognized globally. TOEIC is an international standardized English proficiency test that focuses on business English or English in the workplace context. It can measure your skills in listening, reading, speaking, and writing. The TOEIC test is mainly used to measure how much and how well you understand and use English. You can use the scores to complete requirements for employment at multinational companies and applications at international universities. Results from the test are used by companies and universities for assessment, placement, and the promotion of people. The TOEIC test is divided into two parts, listening and reading. Today, I will be discussing single and double passages, the last part of the reading section of the TOEIC test. The listening and reading tests are classroom-type examinations where you will be seated accordingly and the test administrators will be in front of you providing the test materials. It is a paper and pencil test, so you don't have to bring anything. We will provide your pencil, answer sheet, and test booklet. No devices allowed, no papers, no food, and drinks. The recording for listening is exactly 45 minutes. Once the recording has ended, reading will immediately start. This time, all the questions and choices will be found in the test booklet. During this time, you may be given time to ask for help to your proctors. Just make sure to raise your hand for questions. You are still not allowed to talk to your seatmates or to any test takers during this time. Reading is good for 75 minutes. You may finish the test at your own pace. It's up to you if you will finish early or if you will use up the whole time limit. Reading is divided into three parts. The first one is incomplete sentences, followed by text completion. The last part is divided into two, single passages and double passages. For this part of reading, there will be sample passages such as a letter or advertisement, and then answer questions about the content of the text. Between 7 and 10 of these passages, 4 single passages will be followed by sets of 2 to 5 questions each. Candidates will also encounter 4 pairs of texts for double passages, each of which is followed by 5 questions. In the next part of the video, there will be passages for single passages and double passages. Try to select the right answer and let's see how many correct answers you will get. Here are the answers. How many correct answers did you get? I'm hoping that through my guidance, you got a lot of right answers. The best tip that I can give you is to take your time. Do not rush. You have lots of time, so learn to manage. Make sure to read carefully because on the actual test, the questions may be very tricky. Single passages is exactly 28 items, while double passages is 20 items. Once done, you may raise your hand so the proctor knows that you have finished the test. You may check out our previous videos from the series for listenings, photographs, question response, conversations and talks, as well as readings in complete sentences and text completion. You may check the links in the description. You may also see them at the end of this video. So that concludes our discussion for single and double passages of the reading section of TOEIC. Before we end the video, let me recap important things to remember. First, come in 30 minutes before your test schedule so you have enough time to prepare. There are no breaks, so come early so you can still go to the restroom and eat your snacks before the test starts. Second, ask for help only to your proctors. Do not speak to your seatmates. If you have any concerns, always raise them only to your proctors. Third, the reading section is good for 75 minutes. Manage your time. Go on your own pace. You may finish early or use up the whole 75-minute period. Lastly, everything will be provided in your test booklet, the reading materials as well as the choices. Make sure to read carefully as some of the questions are tricky. This ends our TOEIC series. We have covered all of the parts of the TOEIC test from listening and reading. We hope that we got you covered and that we have provided all of the information needed so you are prepared to take the test. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hopefully, you were able to learn important information to prepare you for the test. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, HIP English, to know more about TOEIC and TOEFL. Turn on notifications as well so you know when we've uploaded new videos in the series. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Like, subscribe, and share so you are #ready to win.